Welcome to our channel, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at an NFT metaverse project that is about to launch in one of the fastest growing blockchain. I'm talking about Cardano. The Cardano ecosystem is seeing a massive growth on the NFT metaverse project, and this project is about to have a land sale very soon, so you don't want to miss out on those details. Also, please do understand that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. We're not financial advisors. Please do your own research and let's get started. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at this exciting metaverse project that is coming on Cardano, right? So Cardano Island is the metaverse of Cardano, and Cardano is gaining traction in the metaverse space, in the NFT space, because it is a blockchain that has been around for quite a while and is building an ecosystem that is meant to last. That's what you want from an ecosystem. And the Cardano Virtua and the Cardano Island is taking the lead in this ecosystem, right? So let's take a look here quickly about the website. So Cardano Island, is a metaverse that is built on Cardano and its community. So what they're trying to build is a gamified metaverse where you can play, interact with great brands, and build and showcase and meet friends in the Cardano metaverse. Okay, so what I like about the project, they do have some exclusive partnerships with Shelby, Williams, F1 Racing. So there is some potential of like having these big brands coming in this metaverse and have this halo effect, right? Because when you see these brands, they have massive marketing potential and already a customer base that will attract more customers, more interest towards the project as well, right? So how this all works is like this, right? So first of all, there are 9,999 plots of land, okay? So in order to get your hands on this plot of land, you have to first join the whitelist, okay? And that whitelist will allow you to participate in the mint of the land, okay? But that's not the only thing. In order to mint, you have to hold one of their NFTs, okay? And I'm gonna show you very, very quickly all those NFTs, right? So in order to enter the whitelist, you have to click here. You can either drop your wallet address or you can drop your email, okay? So make sure that you are going to, I would recommend to add your email, because you will receive the communication and future updates on when the actual land sale is going to happen, okay? So make sure to add your email here so you can get whitelisted, and then you can follow the instructions and the updates, okay? What I was saying about the NFTs, right? So if you go on the jpeg.store, which is one of the marketplaces for Cardano's NFTs, you will see here they have their different NFTs, okay? So there are 7 types of NFTs that you can hold, okay? So if you hold all the 7 of them, okay, you'll be able to have the pre-mint option. And by having the pre-mint option, you will have exclusive access to some plot of land that won't be available in the regular mint, right? So if you hold all the 7 NFTs, right, which they consist of the Cardano logo, the friendly sprites, the flying stingrays. So they have like 7 specific characters in here of NFTs. And if you get all of them, you get the pre-mint option. However, if you just want to get one NFT, you will just get access to the regular mint, and that will allow you to mint the land for this project, okay? So also another thing, make sure to join their Discord channel. They have about 8,800 members here, so it's definitely good to stay updated with the community, make new friends, because at the end of the day, the beauty about community is that you'll get into this Discord channels, and then you will have a massive amount of like enthusiastic people that are believing in the project, and you can also learn from a lot of like community members in this Discord groups, okay? Also make sure you always keep yourself safe, Do not respond to DMs because they're the real people. They're in the community. They always chat in their main group chats. This is something that I wanted to mention because it's very important to always stay safe in the crypto space. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the land. Right, you will have different type of land, right, and the land plot comes in 3 types and 6 dimensions. Right, you will have the nano, the lot, and an acre. Right, and then you have the nano G, which is the smaller version, lot G, and acre G, which is the larger version of the acre. Okay, now you may ask yourself, what can you do with this land? Okay, so first of all, you can build your unique fan cave, right, which is a personalized space for members to socialize, right, show your NFT collections, and also design it according to your preferences and display whatever you want to display. So, and also when they will integrate more brands in there, I believe that in the future you can also rent out your plot of land to brands to showcase their product and eventually potentially earn some passive income as well. Okay, so when you are going to get access to your plot of land, right, you will get access to the Cardano HQ lobby, right? So that's gonna be your journey into the Cardano Metaverse. And then from there, you'll be able to, build your fan cave and have this unique experience attached to your land sale, okay? So as I mentioned, make sure to get the NFT because that's your ticket to actually get the mint going, okay? I do believe that this project has a very good potential in becoming one of the leading metaverse project in the Cardano ecosystem. So I would like to know your thoughts about this project and whether or not you're gonna get the 7 NFTs, they're gonna get you access to the pre-mint, or just 1 NFTs to get your exposure to a promising ecosystem, okay? Let me know in the comments below. Also check our links and descriptions in the box below because we always have sweet deals going on. You get access to discounts, you get access always to sweet promotions that you will not find anywhere else. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I would appreciate so much because it's gonna help our channel show YouTube that we are the best, and I'll see you in the next.